Hello and welcome to the daily Forex report for February 22nd. Looking at the US-Japanese yen pair, this pair continues to move to the upside, broke through and closed above the 80.00 level, so that is good news to the upside. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 80.88, possibly as low as 79.44. Look for some resistance around 80.50. And look for some support around 79.65. Now looking at the Euro USD pair, this pair closed, hang on one second, there we go. This pair closed up during this last session, overall moving sideways. Look for this pair to potentially go up to 133.38, possibly as low as 131.35. Look for some resistance around 132.95 and look for some support around 131.55. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair moved higher, moved lower, ran right into previous area of support, pulled back a little bit to close lower. Look for this pair to potentially go as high on a reversal up to 158.79, possibly down to 155.19. Look for some resistance around 158.15 and look for some support around 156.43. Now the US Swiss, this pair closed lower during this last session, creating an inside bar. We are looking for it to still head to the downside eventually. It is moving sideways, possibly going up to 0.9191, possibly as low as 0.9041. Look for some resistance around 0.9150. and look for some support around 0.9075. Now, what am I looking for during this next session? Well, if you take a look at the pound US dollar pair, you can see that we've moved higher, moved up. It pulled back a little bit, 1, 2, 3 here, a little bit. Did still close higher, however, and then moved up again and it's pulled back and moved higher again. It's pulled from that high, from this, basically from this trend to the upside. We can look for it to do this over the next little bit. Those of you familiar with wave formations, this would be, you know, A, B, and C. Looking for it to drop to the downside. Basically looking to take out this session's low. And as far as where I'm looking for it to go, looking for a short around the 156.42 mark, and then basically looking for it to move down to 5600. Now it should get there within one session. That's about a 42 pip move. Could see it move even lower from there to the downside, but we'll just have to keep an eye on that. Something else we can take a look at real quick is retracement. Where does that put us from a retracement standpoint? You can see that we're pretty much at the 38.2, coming on down a little bit further to get to the 50. We'd be exiting a little bit before that. Should find a little bit of support though around the 0.0 levels. It's definitely something that could happen, so you need to be aware of it. If you look down here, we had down to the 61.8 retracement. It's 1.5497, so we could see that happen as well. But I'm just looking to grab a quick 40 pips, 42 pips off of this one during this next session. Hope that helps. No news announcements for tomorrow. So until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.